everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Today's video is going to be a bunch of cleaning. So if you saw my previous video, then you saw that we had a gender reveal party. It was so much fun. I really enjoyed seeing all my friends and family and celebrating our little baby. So if you missed the video, I definitely recommend going to watch it so you can see the gender of our baby. But so we had our party on Saturday and I wanted to clean so badly on Sunday. I was so tired, but the house was so just filled with everything you can think of. Dishes, laundry, I had to clean the floors, mop, dust everything off, like just everything had to be cleaned. So I was like, oh, this is perfect. I can have plenty of content for YouTube. So today's video is going to be all cleaning post gender reveal party, and I'm starting off with, I had so many dishes. I really sped this video up, but in reality, it took me about 20 minutes just to do the dishes, and I sped this up to only like 1 minute of me doing the dishes, but there was a ton. So I just got all the dishes that I needed to clean, put them next to the sink, and I put on a YouTube video and I just started cleaning away. So here I'm just washing the crock pots because we had meatballs, we had pulled chicken, barbecue chicken, we had some macaroni and cheese. We had so much food for everyone, so I was just getting all the dishes clean. So now I have them all clean. We have this little, my mom brought this little lemonade, little containers. So we had a blue lemonade, a pink lemonade, and then water in the middle. And that's what these lemonade glasses are that I was just putting away. So here I'm pretty much now drying off everything and putting them in the correct spots. And my mom had like 2 large containers of dishes and just everything. So I was just putting that all away for her to take back home and then like separating what was mine. So you will just see me doing a ton of cleaning in the kitchen.
About to leave, already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free.
I usually never clean the dishes by hand. I'll rinse the dishes off, you know, before I put them in the dishwasher, but I never usually clean dishes by hand unless it's like a pan or the crock pot. So it was like a rude awakening for me to clean so many dishes at one time, but it was totally worth it. We had so much fun at the party. There was so much good food, and it was just so fun to see all of our friends and family in one place at one time celebrating our baby. So I do want to share with you all the gender of our baby is a boy. So we are having a little boy, a son, and we are so thrilled. My husband is really, really excited, and I cannot wait to have a mini little John. That's my husband's name, is John. Not the baby's name, but that is my husband's name. So I am just so thrilled to have a little one that's going to look probably like my husband. So can't wait for that. But anyways, I am just finishing up getting all the dishes put away, dried off, and doing some more cleaning.
Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free.
I am using my Jaws cleaner. It's the granite countertop cleaner in this video. I use this like pretty much every single day now. I had a video a couple weeks ago where I partnered with them and they sent me their products, and I am so in love with them. I literally use them every single day now, and the granite countertop one is my favorite. It smells so good. Even my husband walks in and he's like, oh my gosh, it smells so good in here. And I think it's just from using the Jaws cleaning solution, which is just solution and then you just add water. That's what it stands for, the Jaws Just Add Water system. But it works so well. It's inexpensive, and I think they do a really, really great job. So I was just wiping down the counter. It had a ton of like just sticky stuff from like yogurt and the sweets section at the party and stuff like that. So I was just wiping everything down, scrubbing it down, and that made me feel so good once that was all clean.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know one single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, nah, heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody.
I was just cleaning the rest of the kitchen with the granite countertop cleaner. We have like this separate section of granite countertop near the pantry, and that's where like all the meatballs and macaroni and cheese and the pulled chicken were. So I just wanted to like wipe that down. As you saw, it got pretty dirty, but the granite countertop cleaner worked so well in order to get this down. So it was really, really nice. But I wanted to share with you all, if you haven't seen the previous video with the gender reveal, it was so fun, and we had a soccer ball that my best friend was the only one that knew the gender of our baby. I gave her the envelope that the doctor gave me with the gender inside, and she filled up the soccer ball with powder, and then my husband kicked it and it exploded with the blue powder. It was so cool. That's a picture of our ultrasound that I just had out. But it was so cool. I'm really glad that we ended up doing that. My husband's like really big into soccer, a really big soccer player. He coaches. He's played like literally his whole life. So we went with the soccer theme, and it was so cute. It was so much fun. We did a lot of the decorations ourselves, and then most of it I got from Amazon as well. But it was so much fun, and that's the first time that a lot of my family and friends saw our house. Mostly just my family, but it was really nice because that was the first like big party we had at our house. So it was really nice to have everyone over and celebrate. So here I'm just wiping down the table, wiping down the chairs, just getting everything clean. I do enjoy this multi-surface spray because I just feel like it can get literally anything that I need it to. So that's why I just used it on the chairs and the table surface, because they are made out of like this light wood. I don't really know if it's exactly like solid wood. I don't know what it's really made out of. It feels like wood. But the multi-surface spray works really well with it, so I always use it over here.
Wake me up, I'm getting tired of sleeping. Think I've had enough. I've been gone, but haven't done much healing. It's pretty clear to me, kinda strange how I can take a beating from my better self. It's like no one else even really scratches the surface. 'Cause nobody gets me. I'm looking for faith, looking for love in every direction. I'm looking for someone to show me the way.
Here I am just wiping down the wall, so you can see there was some like handprints on the wall, so I just took that little like Mr. Clean sponge and got it a little damp and just scrubbed off the mark on the wall, and it comes right off. It does take a few seconds to dry, but it was nice. It just came right off.
Give me a light when my torch is blown out. Let me escape from my hideaway. I give up all of my little addictions, but I'm still stuck with some tough decisions, yeah. Now I'm up against the wall, and I'm looking for your attention. Wide awake and I'm too scared away for a better chance at a
great romance, and I'm just not getting any braver. 'Cause nobody gets me. I'm looking for faith, looking for love in every direction. I'm looking for someone to show me the way when my map is torn up. Give me a light when my torch is blown out. Let me escape from my hideaway. I give up all of my little addictions, but I'm still stuck with some tough decisions, yeah. Now I'm up against the wall, and I'm looking for your attention. I gave up all of my little addictions, but I'm still stuck with some tough decisions, yeah. Now I'm up against the wall, and I'm looking for your attention. And I'm looking for your attention. I'm looking for your attention. Looking for your attention. Oh yeah, I'm looking for your attention.
If you all are new here, I would love to have you subscribe and stick around. I make a ton of videos. I make one every Monday and Thursday of the week at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and they're all about cleaning, decorating, just making your house feel like home. And we have lived in this house for almost, actually going on 8.5 months now, and it's really starting to feel like our home. It really does. And I'm so excited to share more with you as we do more to the house. The nursery is, like, I would say 75% done. We just bought the paint. Now that we know the gender is a boy, we got the paint that we want for the room, and we're doing like an accent wall. So I can't wait to share that with you all. I'm so excited, and it's going to be a lot of fun. So I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Be sure to comment down below if you're new. I would love to say hello. I always do my best to reply to everybody in the comment section, and give this video a big thumbs up on your way out. And thank you guys seriously so much for watching. I appreciate it, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you. Hit you up, I'm on the other side. I miss you. Take you off, I came here way too strong. Cannot keep it low key. Got me drugged, your pheromones